Hello guys, welcome to the new YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see what is the average. This is the most important topic in quantitative aptitude. The average formula is like this: total number of observations by number of observations. For example, here there are 5 numbers. We have to perform the average for 5 numbers. If we perform the average for 5 numbers by using the formula, then we got the answer C. Here you can see first we have to total the number of observations. That is, we have to sum the number of observations in the numerator. Then in the denominator we have to write the number of observations. Or you can use the second method like this. In the second method you have to take only first and last value of the question, then divide it by 2. Why? Because here we take only 2 numbers, that's why divide it by 2. Then we got the same answer, that is 3. Here now let us see the second question. The second question is the average of ABC is 15 and the average of large C BC is 16. If D value is 19, find the A value. Here sometimes they give the averages of 3 or 4 variables and ask us to find the value of first variable or second variable and so on. Now let's see how to solve the question. They give the average of A plus B plus C equal to 15 and average of B plus C plus D equal to 16. We have to multiply both the equations with 3. Here y with 3 means here in the equation present there are 3 values are present. That's why we have to multiply it by 3. After multiplying it by 3, we got the answers like this. In the equation 3 and equation 4, if D value is 19, then then from equation 2, B plus C plus 19 equal to 48, then B plus C equal to 29. Then we have to substitute the B plus C value in the equation 3 to find the A value. The equation 3 is like this: A plus B plus C equal to 45. If we substitute 29 in place of B plus C, then A plus 29 equal to 45. A equal to 45 minus 29. Then A equal to 16. The A value is 16. In this way you can find the value of any number if they give the average of 3 or 4 numbers. Here the question is 9 persons went to a hotel for taking a meal. 8 of them spent rupees 12 each on the meal, and 9 persons spent rupees 8 more than the average expenditure of all the 9. What was the total amount spent by them? Here what they say means 9 persons went to a hotel, and in the 9 persons, the 8 persons spent 12 rupees as average on their meal, and the 9 persons spent rupees 8 extra than the average expenditure of all the 9. Now we have to find the total amount. For finding the total amount, we have to write the given first. The 8 persons average amount is 12, but 9% average amount is x plus 8. Here x represents average expenditure of all 9 numbers. If we write the equation like this, that is 9x equal to 8 into 12. Here why 8 into 12 means the average expenditure of 8% is 12 rupees. That's why here we write 8 into 12, and 90% expenditure is 8 rupees extra than the average expenditure of all the 9 members. That's why here we write X plus 8. We have to find the total expenditure of all the 9 members. If we write the equation like this, then we have to solve the equation that is 8 into 12 equal to 96. 96 plus 8 equal to 104 plus x. If we bring the x to the left side of the equal to, then it becomes minus 9x minus x equal to 8x. 8x equal to 104. X equal to 104 by 8. Finally, x value is 13. Here x represents average expenditure of all 9 members. So the total amount is spent by all 9 members is 9 into x. That is 9 into 13. The final answer is 117. Therefore, the total 9 members spent rupees 117 amount in a hotel. Hope you understand this explanation. If you understand this explanation, then give a like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel.